Okay, we are here today by the first national Souillac by Dirk Deroose in Kruishoutem. Dirk is already to his third national win in his pigeon career, and we can assure you that it will be not his last national win, because the quality on this loft is very high. The national winner is a small sized blue cock. It's a very good one. He won already his third prize, top 100 national. Before he won, you see that he is very nervous. Before he won already the 51st on national brief against plus 4,000 birds, and the 89th national bush against more than 34,000 birds. Now he is winning the first national Souillac against 4,476 old birds. It was a very hard race. The distance here is 688 kilometers. They were liberated at 10 minutes before 8, and he makes a velocity of 1,219 meters per minute. Superb high. Maybe you can hold it a little bit. Very nice cock, and it is a combination of the strains of Porsche 911. It's a grandson of Porsche 911, crossed with the original birds of Bluebell. Congrats from the Herbots team to Mr. Dirk.